Jeff from RV Diagnostics, continuation of the fuse videos. Okay, this is video 3. I'm just going to go over some real simple stuff. On this last one, I put in there about how the fuse was actually made. Now I'm going to show you how it's really supposed to be made. And I'll show you how to test it with a test light. This one has a built-in multimeter. Some don't. I'll do it with both of them. Here we go. Turn the camera around. And remember, folks, basically you find yourself a good ground, which is right there. Okay, could be on the battery, right there. But so we test the voltage coming in. We got 14.1. So I'm just going to go. I got the lights on. All right, so we got no voltage there. Yes, we got 14 something. No, we don't. That means that fuse is open. Notice the little slots in the top of the fuse right there. I'll take this one out and show you again. Right there, see them? Little metals. Right next to the left of the 10 to the right of the 10. Well, some fuses are being purchased without that. You're going to misdiagnose. So you're going to go to this one and go, oh look, I don't got nothing. Video 2. So yes, I got voltage on one side of it. No, I don't, and it blew. Now the continuation fuse video will be on how they blow. Really, you need to read your fuse. Alright, so there we go. So what I'm going to do is pull that one out. And yes, it's 20 amp. It's too much, but it's already blown. So I'm just giving you an example. Okay. Alright. We'll put it back in and we'll do it again. There you go. Okay, we got the headlight back on. So yes, we have B+. Yes, we have B+. So that's good. That doesn't mean the circuit's working. It just means it's getting through the fuse. Don't mean where it goes into the socket is good. Alright, so looking at some stuff here. There's the fuse. See, that's a dead blow right there. See how that blew out in the middle? Alright, it's supposed to look like that. Complete. A little ohm symbol, up down horseshoe, upside down horseshoe. There you go. Now, if it's a very little bit of melt there, just a little bit, that's most likely a circuit, the coil winding of a circuit starting to short out. If you got, that's not a bad blow, but I've seen some blow out between the left and the right totally. That's a dead short. That means that power feed wire grounded out against the frame intermittently. Alright, so like I said, thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just a quick video on fuses and how to test them. Yes, you can pull them all day long and they might look good, but if you don't test them with a multimeter or a test light, then you're not getting a good diagnostic routine established. Alright, so thank you very much. There's a couple different ways to get me. One is at the garage in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. How you get a hold of me is through the Messenger on Facebook page. The other one is the Facebook page itself, which is over 15,000 members. And the website where I do one-on-one troubleshooting with you. Thousands of people have enjoyed that. Yes, it costs a little bit a year, something like $7-8 a month. But I'm available. And it's www.rvdiagnostics.com. That's plural diagnostics. The other place is the YouTube channel. Of course, what's the name? RV Diagnostics. Facebook page is RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. Thank you once again. This is Jeff from RV